I think Dr. Roeder is very personable and very approachable, and the first thing I noticed when I met him the first time was his smile, because he has a great smile, great teeth, which of course in this business that's very important. But it's also you can tell he's listening, whether he's busy, adjusting appliances or adjusting, wires and brackets. You can tell he's listening to you as a parent, and I observe him listening to my children as patients and always asking them before they leave, is there anything that's bothering you? Is everything okay? Oh, the staff is great. Staff is great. They're always, even though they may need to tell the kids, you've got to brush more, you need to really keep your teeth clean. They always do it in a very positive, way that as a parent you want to hear it being said, but as a patient, as a child, it needs to be said in a certain way so that you hear it. And they're always really good to reinforce that.